The ULVW-1 flame test is a standardized procedure designed to evaluate the flammability characteristics of electrical wires and cables. It's a critical assessment to ensure safety, particularly when cables are intended for installation within walls or other concealed spaces where fire hazards could be amplified. The test itself is a vertical burn test. This means a sample of the cable in question is hung vertically. A controlled flame is then applied to the bottom of the cable sample. Several key parameters are observed and measured during this test. The most important factors include the burn length, which is the distance the flame travels up the cable, and the flame time, which is how long the cable continues to burn after the initial flame is removed. To successfully pass the ULVW-1 flame test and be deemed safe for applications such as in wall installation, a cable must meet specific criteria. Firstly, the burn length must be less than 25 inches. This limit ensures that a fire originating on the cable will not spread excessively along its length. Secondly, the flame time must be less than 60 seconds. This requirement prevents the cable from sustaining a prolonged burn, which could ignite nearby materials and contribute to a larger fire. Cables that successfully meet both of these criteria are classified as having passed the ULVW-1 flame test. This certification gives installers and end users confidence that the cable is less likely to contribute to the spread of fire within a building. In the specific case of the Monoprice HDMI cable, the fact that it has passed the ULVW-1 flame test is a significant indicator of its safety for in-wall use. It signifies that the cable has been subjected to rigorous testing and has demonstrated its ability to resist sustained burning and limit flame propagation. While passing the ULVW-1 test is a crucial factor in determining a cable's suitability for in-wall installation, other considerations are also essential. Firstly, it's always advisable to consult local building codes and regulations. These codes may have specific requirements for cable types used in concealed spaces. Secondly, ensure the cable is also rated for the intended voltage and current levels of the HDMI signal. Thirdly, carefully inspect the cable for any signs of damage before installation, such as cuts, abrasions, or kinks. Fourthly, follow proper installation practices to avoid damaging the cable during the process. This includes using appropriate tools and techniques for routing and securing the cable. Fifthly, consider using conduit or other protective measures to further safeguard the cable from physical damage or environmental factors. By carefully considering these factors and choosing a cable that has passed the ULVW-1 flame test, you can help ensure the safety and reliability of your in-wall HDMI installation. It's always better to err on the side of caution when dealing with electrical wiring and cables, as even a small fire can have devastating consequences. The ULVW-1 test is just one part of a comprehensive approach to fire safety in buildings. Fire-resistant building materials, smoke detectors, and sprinkler systems are all important components of a well-designed fire safety plan. Regular inspections and maintenance of electrical systems can also help prevent fires from starting in the first place. If you have any doubts or concerns about the safety of your electrical wiring or cables, it's always best to consult with a qualified electrician. They can assess your specific situation and provide expert advice on how to ensure the safety of your home or building. When choosing cables for any electrical installation, always look for the appropriate safety certifications and ratings. These certifications indicate that the cable has been tested and meets established safety standards. By investing in high-quality, certified cables, you can reduce the risk of electrical fires and protect your property and your family. The ULVW-1 test is a valuable tool for evaluating the flammability of electrical cables, but it's not the only factor to consider. Always use your best judgment and consult with qualified professionals when making decisions about electrical safety.